Hello there. Hello to you. I put in these mini twists a couple days ago to start my lock journey for the
third time.
3. I know, but it's not as bad as it sounds. So like I said, I did try this 2 other times, all within this last year. The first time, it was around June of last year, 2021. I had put the mini twist in for the first time and I was like, oh, these are cute. Like I can wear these as a style. And then while I had them, I decided, you know what? Let me just keep them in. I'm gonna keep them in. I'm gonna start locks. But because of that not very well thought out plan, it was just something that I did impulsively. They didn't last. I wasn't ready to begin my lock journey. Honestly, I don't even know if I was ready for locks altogether. I was still in my loose natural hair phase. I have always been a natural, at least most of my adult life. The last couple years since COVID started, 2020, I started taking better care of my hair because the most that I would do to my hair would be wash it, deep condition it, and then I would put it right back up. And I'll wear a wig for ever until the next time it was ready for me to wash it again. That was neglect of a very beautiful head of hair. So I decided, you know, let me go ahead and do something to my hair. So even when I would wear it, it would be like in a puff, and it would be very few times you would see me like that. A lot of the times if I was out, because I just was like, I'm not dealing with my hair. It takes so long to do, you know, loose natural hair, and it takes a lot of upkeep. It's just not something that I wanted to continue to do. So I decided on locks, and like I said, that first time I just wasn't ready. I wasn't ready for them. So after about 3 weeks, we didn't even make it to a month, I combed those out. And at the beginning of November sometime, I started locks for a second time. I actually just combed those out between month 1 and month 2. I started to notice that some were really big and then some were a little tiny, so I had to combine a few. By the time I combed them out, I had about 79 locks. It took me like 4-5 days to comb those out. Child, it took me forever to comb. It took me forever to comb those out, and I wasn't gonna put them back in. I wasn't going to reinstall them, not right away, not like right away. I was going to give it a couple days, let my hair breathe. I was tired. I had just finished taking these last ones out for like 5 days. But then something is wrong with me, because I was like, I got to doing length checks and feeling how good everything felt in the curls, and I was just like, let me go ahead and put these right back in before I change my mind. So I did go ahead and install them that same night. I was done by the end of the night. And so now we're going in a couple days. I love this set. I'm at a place right now where I am ready for this journey. I'm going through a couple different journeys, and growing my locks right now is appropriate. This is not a phase. This is not something where I'm like, oh, I want to grow them to comb them out. Baby, no, we're not doing that. We're not gonna do that. I have the 4 C's of hair, so once it's put up, it's gonna be up. Once it's up, it's stuck. It ain't no turning back. There's no turning back. So I'm ready for it. I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a length check. So we are, as you can tell, it's like right above this bra. I lost a couple, you know, inches with the twist, but even with that, this is just still, now that they have some elasticity, me pulling on it, but you can see how much even those have shrunk. I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a 360. They are so pretty. This is a fire set. I'm so excited for these. I'm so excited for this journey. I'm so excited for you guys to come along with me. So with that being said, you know there are going to be more lock videos coming. Go ahead and subscribe. But let me know how long you think it's going to take for these guys to lock. I know how many they are already. Let me know how many locks you think I have. Let me know if you want me to do a lock count video. Just let me know, girl. Thank you for watching. Again, go ahead and subscribe, like this video, post some stuff in the comments. I appreciate you all.